Hey Wallet Hubbers! Today we're talking about how to find cheap SR-22 insurance. The best way to find cheap SR-22 insurance is to check out WalletHub's latest picks. We regularly compare major insurance companies around the country to find the best and cheapest options for drivers who are required to file an SR-22 form. You can click the button at the top right of the video to see our latest selections. But stick with me, because I've got 4 tips to help you find SR-22 insurance at a reasonable price, which is important, considering how expensive SR-22 insurance can be. First, you should shop around. We recommend that you compare quotes from at least 3 different insurance companies before purchasing a policy in order to find the best deal. Second, you should look for discounts. If you have an SR-22, you likely won't be able to qualify for discounts related to safe driving, but you can still find discounts that are based on your policy choices or your car. For example, many insurers offer discounts for paperless billing or for equipping your vehicle with certain safety features or anti-theft devices. Third, consider limiting your coverage. You have to meet your state's minimum coverage requirements in order to drive legally, but getting more coverage beyond that is up to you. And if you're struggling to afford SR-22 insurance, then sticking with the minimum coverage may be the best choice. Keep in mind that if your car is leased or financed, you also need to meet your lender's or lessor's requirements. Finally, you might consider buying a non-owner policy. If you don't own a vehicle, a non-owner car insurance policy is a great way to fulfill your state's SR-22 requirement at a low price. Non-owner SR-22 insurance covers you when you drive rented or borrowed vehicles. And since it doesn't cover a specific car, it's usually less expensive than standard SR-22 insurance policies. However, this is only an option if you do not own a car and do not live with someone who does. Now that you know how to find cheap SR-22 insurance, you're ready to start looking for a policy. To get started, check out WalletHub's latest picks for the cheapest SR-22 insurance by clicking the button here.